On the job here today in Washington, D.C., the electricians are putting the finishing touches on the bonding of the rebar, which goes around the pool. This pool happens to have a little bit more rebar. Typically, just one band of rebar goes around the pool, and that gets grounded back to the pump and the heater. Setting up the forms for the concrete work. And the gentleman to the right is chopping out a tree branch, tree root. That's in the way of forming up some steps. Electricians on the job, plumbers on the job, concrete on the job, forming up the steps, getting ready to pour concrete, weather permitting. Okay, pool has been set up for electric. Electric is passed, the rebar is in, the grate is set. Friday we will be pouring concrete. This is a Viking pool, and looks beautiful. Another view of the island breeze, surrounded by concrete as the base for the terrazzo stone that will be going in the next day. Beautiful pool. Great transformation to this backyard. Okay, final project in Washington, D.C. The pool cleaners in the pool cleaning the Viking Island Breeze pool right now, and we got all our tile down and bullnose, and just came out beautiful. Alright, so we'll have more updates on this later once the deck is finished built and the more furniture is put around it. But that is a finished project.